Hello, and welcome to Ask the Therapist. This is our series on parenting questions and answers. Today's question comes from HS regarding her 5-year-old boy. She asks, "What do I do when my child talks back to me?" In this video, we're going to address the common challenge that many parents face. Dealing with children on this issue of talking back can be difficult to handle. How should we as parents respond when our child is being disrespectful or defiant? Are they just voicing their opinion and lack the ability to express it in an acceptable way? We are here to offer some practical tips and strategies to help you navigate this difficult situation. Here are some things to keep in mind. First, it's important to understand that talking back is a normal part of child development. Children are learning to assert themselves and express their opinions, and it's our job as parents to help them do that in a healthy and appropriate way. It is also important to remember that young children are not adults, and responding to what they say as if an adult was saying it is going to result in your child being hurt, disrespected, and diminished.
Jobs as parents are to teach, support, and develop healthy mental health and avoid creating lasting psychological hurt.
One strategy that can be effective is to set clear and consistent boundaries with your child. This means setting rules and consequences for bad behavior and consistently enforcing them. For example, if your child starts talking back, you could calmly say something like, "I understand that you have a different opinion, but talking back is not acceptable. If you continue to speak to me in that tone, there will be consequences." Then clearly define the consequence, remembering that we must follow through when we tell our children what the consequence is going to be. For example, we don't want to threaten them with no TV for a year or being grounded for a month. The consequence should fit the situation and be reasonable as well as enforced. Another important strategy is to teach your child healthy ways to express their opinions and frustrations. This can include things like deep breathing exercises, journaling, or even physical activity. Encourage them to express themselves in a respectful and appropriate manner by providing your child with these tools. You can help them learn how to express their opinions in a healthy and constructive way. It is also important to remember that children often talk back as a reaction to feeling unheard or not respected. Make sure you listen to your child's perspective and acknowledge their feelings, even if you don't agree with them. It is also important to model respectful communication, as children learn by observing their parents. We hope these tips and strategies help you navigate the challenges of dealing with children when they talk back. Remember, it is not always easy, but with patience, consistency, and a little bit of creativity, you can help your child to learn how to express themselves in a healthy way. If you have any questions that you would like us to answer, please include them below in the comments section of this video and subscribe to our channel for much more on parenting so we can do the best that we can to prevent your child from needing therapy as they grow up. Ask the Therapist is provided to you as part of an overall program entitled How Not to Parent. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon.